Welcome, I'm Bea and I'm glad you found my channel. So for week 46 I start again with gesso. And spreading in around. So for the background I'm gonna stay in rather neutral colors and also gonna use some parts which are from our kitchen remodeling. That's way too much. I need more white. I do mix the paint in the Mod Podge. I'm not too worried about that. It's a little bit too yellow for my taste. Adding more white again. So I'm gonna use this butterfly as wings for the key. The gesso dries quicker than the acrylic paint and I need some wetness to have the embossing powder to stick. Let's see. Okay. And I'm gonna do a mixture of this beige color, which is a plain embossing powder, and a Nutter thick embossing powder. And yes, it's also going to stick to the inside a little bit, but I try not to have too much. That's why I sprinkle it along. the edges rather than dumping all over. It is okay to have a little bit of embossing powder in the inside, but I want mostly along the border. Okay, let's see what happens. Yep, I totally forgot to add my wire. Oh well. I'm gonna do it now. I think I have to bend it even a little bit more. We'll see whether it works or not. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and share on whatever social media you are on, so others can enjoy it too. Hope to see you soon somewhere online. I'm sorry, the camera didn't pick it. I did add some foam dots, the ordinary foam dots I usually have. I have a little bit of hard time with this transparent. I even don't know where I have them from. So I did use those foam dots to add a little bit of a dimension to my sailing.